How to set up a passkey in Binance. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can quickly set up a passkey in Binance. First thing first, you have to go ahead and simply open up your Binance application, and once you're logged in you should be able to see your home screen right here. Now just tap on the Binance icon at the top left and then simply tap on the profile icon right here. Then click on security. Now once you land on the security page, click on Passkey or Biometrics, and then click on Add a Passkey. Click on Passkey. Now you will be sent a verification email. Just enter the code that has been sent to your email. So let me just quickly check my email right here. And once you get the verification code, you just have to enter it on this given space. So I've already gotten the verification code. I'm just going to enter it right here and then click on submit. Now here on biometric authentication, you're going to have to tap on create a passkey. So if you want, you could use a face lock, and that if you have used it on your device, and if you have set up a fingerprint, just enter your fingerprint right here. And as you can see, this has been successfully added. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.